Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are brand new. Today's video is a messy house clean with me. As you can see, my house is looking very worse for wear, so it is packed with cleaner motivation today to help you tackle your homes as well. So do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Leave today's video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight into it. So I'm starting off in the kitchen today. As you can see, it's a complete mess and I hate having a messy, dirty kitchen. So I definitely wanted to start in here and just get rid of all the rubbish. We've still got rubbish out on the sides from a takeaway we had the night before, and we've got just mess from today, from breakfast and lunch, so it's just building up and I really need to get to it. So I'm not going to be talking too much throughout this video. I'll pop in here and there, but I just want to let the music play so it's a nice relaxing one, and you can just tackle your to-do list as well and just get all the motivation. Do let me know down in the comments if you are cleaning along with me today, and let me know what's on your to-do list.
What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
We're falling out, we've reached disaster. Don't know where we're gonna be after. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling down, we faded. But I know that we can save it. Cause we're like alpha and omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are alpha and omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and omega. Alpha and omega. Like the waves pull you down underwater. We're fun until we hit the bottom. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling down, we faded. But I know that we can save it. Cause we're like alpha and omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are alpha and omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and omega. Alpha and omega. I know we can save it. Cause we're like alpha and omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, yeah, we could work it out. Cause we're like alpha and omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, yeah, we could work it out. Alpha and omega, alpha and omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, I know we are alpha and omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and omega, alpha and omega.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so you're the top for me. Never thought that loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours, worth the try. Oh, this is the real thing, I'm down if you're down, boy. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to me, get next to me. Get next to you, get next to you. Get next to me, get next to me. Feels like the two of us are golden or gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. Feels like the two of us are golden or gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am gold, I'm golden.
You say you're tired, you don't wanna fight, but I've been wondering if everything's alright. You say you love me, and that's all fine, but it's like I'm missing the passion in your eyes. Am I right? I ain't gonna let it get to me. I will keep it straight, won't make a scene, keep it clean. So just tell me where this goes. Now can you tell me if we're just killing time? Just tell me what you're thinking of. Don't feel right, it's like I want us to go on, but not if we are done. Baby, oh, we're killing time. Maybe you're trying to be nice. Maybe you got some guilt.
I love the feeling I get when I finally have my kitchen back. It just puts me in such a good mood having a nice clean kitchen. And the final thing that I wanted to do is just whiz round and clean off all the cupboards and drawers and everything with some diluted 𝚂𝚂. I do this every day, or at least every other day, just because we have the gloss finish on all of the cupboards. You can see literally every fingerprint, every smudge, and it can just look really bad. So I do try and keep on top of it, but I just love how it just makes the whole kitchen smell super clean. I love 𝚂𝚂, I'm a huge fan. Definitely recommend it if you've not tried it before, but I pretty much use it on everything.
Keep it clean. So
So the next thing I need to tackle is my front room, and honestly it's just a bit of a mess. Cinnabon's toys just gets everywhere, and all of the cushions and throw blankets and everything just gets thrown all over the place. So I need to just do a quick pickup and get everything back where it belongs. But I can't help but laugh because recently a friend of mine actually picked me up on calling it the front room, and was wondering why I call it the front room considering this room is at the back of the house. And honestly I just call it the front room because in every house I've ever lived in it's always been at the front of the house, it's always just been the front room, whereas this is the only house I've ever lived in where it's not at the front of the house. So I do sort of see why it's a little bit confusing why I call this back room the front room, but I just grew up calling it the front room, so I do switch between calling it the front room and calling it the living room. But yeah, to me it's just always going to be the front room.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like. You're told, but I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like.
So whenever I do a quick tidy or just a quick pickup, I do tend to just move stuff from room to room just to get it out of the way whilst I'm cleaning the other rooms. So now I'm actually going to get this stuff put away, and it was all the stuff that you saw down in the front room. But yeah, whenever I'm filming, I just go into autopilot and I just move it out the way rather than put it away. So that is kind of what happens whenever you see me walk off camera with something. I don't put it away straight away. I literally just move it out the way and put it in the area that it needs to be in. So a lot of the time, if I'm moving stuff from downstairs in the kitchen, I will just pop it on the stairs so I can remind myself to bring it up next time I come. So now I can actually get round to putting it all away rather than just keep moving it from space to space. But it feels so good to finally have it all put away, and I'm also going to go ahead and make the bed and just get the bedroom nice and cozy.
I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you and me so clueless.
I really hope you've enjoyed today's video, and I hope it's given you all the motivation that you came looking for. If it did, then do go ahead and leave it a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and I will see you back here in the next one.